in the wee hours of the night, the security agencies received information that there's a truck that had been diverted. It was meant to go to Nairobi, but it had been diverted, and it was supposed to have carried bags of beans from the border, that is from the Kenya-Uganda border. The truck was intercepted somewhere around Mailene and was detained here at Nyahururu police station. Thereafter, upon further scrutiny, it was found out that the lorry was actually carrying ethanol chemical, and 88 containers, 250 liter each of ethanol, have been confiscated, and the number has been confirmed, and they're going to be handed over to officers from Kenya Revenue Authority to continue with their to charge the 2 suspects who are already in custody and continue with further investigations in the same. They had actually put construction blocks to conceal what they had carried, because somebody just looking at inspecting the lorry would think that the lorry is carrying construction blocks. But when you go deep, you realize that they are not. These were meant to conceal whatever they were carrying. We are not sure the intention where this consignment was headed to. But you know, we have been fighting so much illicit brew, and when we see such a container like this trying to evade the law, trying to evade coming to the rural areas, we get very worried, because we suspect that such kind of chemicals can infiltrate our communities and can be used as the second generation illicit brew that we have been fighting. So we also want to urge members of the public to be very vigilant, because you realize that lorries like this are not very frequent in this route. So they should work with the police when they see such like motor vehicles which are not commonly known to ply this route. They should alert the security agencies, and we take actions. Yeah, we thank the officers who participated in this, and we urge them to continue doing a lot of surveillance in this corridor. Now that we have established that this is the corridor where people sometimes try to evade going through the highway, because they know that there are not so many roadblocks around here. Otherwise, thank you very much.
Sombe tu line moja mpaka mwisho.